This tutorial looks at gravity. So it's linear motion with gravity and acceleration and dampened motion all sort of joined together to create sort of a very basic physics model. So if we look at the variables, we've got x position 250, that's fixed. Y position is the movement up and down of the rectangle. Motion, which is the variable that will be added to y position to change its position on the screen. Gravity will be the force that's added to motion, which is then added to y position, and then damp is the multiplier that's used to basically flip the direction of the rectangle as it bounces. So if we go down here, we can see the rectangle is x position, y position, 25, 25. Then y position equals y position plus motion, so we're adding 0 to the first increment. Then we go to the next screen, or the next line, and it's motion equals motion plus gravity. So gravity is 0.1. So the value of motion is constantly iterating up as the ball is moving down the screen. And then when it reaches the bottom, minus 10, so the ball is, I believe, 25. So it should be 20. Otherwise it's moving a bit past the screen. So it will reach the bottom, and then motion will equal motion times damp. And so the damp is multiplying it by, usually it's -1 to change the direction, but this time it's -0.95 because we want to reduce some of the value of it each time it hits. So it sort of acts like friction, or I'm sure there's a better word, but so you can see as it bounces, it's a very bouncy ball with these particular values. If we change the values, like if we make it a smaller value, then it should be less bouncy, right? So you can see it didn't bounce quite so high. It's getting close to the bottom quite quickly, and eventually it will just sit at the bottom. Yeah, so that's gravity.